At Van Martin Roofing, we know homeowners hear a lot of promises from roofing companies. You can trust us. We do quality work. We care. We'll take care of you. Those things sound good, but we believe they only matter if there's a clear process behind them. So before we come out to meet you, we want to explain how we back up what we say. First, we give you straight answers. When we inspect your roof, our job is not to push you toward the biggest project. Our job is to show you what we find, explain what it means, and to help you understand your options. If your roof needs a repair, we'll explain that. If replacement makes more sense, we'll show you why. And if we don't think you need a new roof, we'll tell you that too. Second, we put the details in the writing. Your quote, your pricing, your project timeline, your warranty information, and what's included should all be clear before you make a decision. That way, you're not relying on vague promises or confusing sales talk. You can see what's included, what's not included, and what the next step looks like. Third, the decision is yours. We're here to evaluate your roof, educate you on what we'll find, and to help you navigate your options. But you should never feel pressured into making a decision before you're ready. Our role is to give you the information, and your role is to choose what makes the most sense for your home. Fourth, we'll stay accountable through the whole process, from scheduling the inspection to completing the cleanup. We want you to know what's happening and who's responsible. Before work begins, you'll know what to expect. During the project, the crew on your roof is held to Van Martin standards. And when the work's done, we inspect the finished project before we call it complete. A roof is just not a one-day project, it's a long-term investment in your home. That's why we stand behind our work with a Vanguard warranty, a team that is here when you need us and after the job is complete. All this connects to what we call your path to protection. Proposal, we evaluate, educate, and help you navigate your options. Performance, we initiate, install, and inspect the work. Protection, we guarantee, warranty, and remain reliable long after the project is done. So when you choose Van Martin Roofing, you're not only just getting a roof, you're getting clear communication, written details, honest opinions, and a process designed to protect your home. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to working with you.